Welcome to JH. Texitcoin.org claims to be a decentralized, mineable cryptocurrency dedicated to financial freedom and community-driven economic independence. They are marketing it as a blockchain currency specifically for Texans, promising fast, low-cost transactions for the Lone Star State. Because nothing says financial liberty quite like a digital coin named after a hypothetical secession movement. But before you start dreaming of a crypto cowboy utopia, let's see if this project is actually legit or just another digital mirage. First, let's talk about the founder, Bobby Gray. Gray has a professional track record that is longer than a CVS receipt and just as full of things you probably didn't want. He has a history of launching currency projects that either crashed or ran into serious legal trouble. Remember the Liberty Dollar? Its founder ended up convicted of counterfeiting. Gray's other ventures, like Mulligan Mint, also collapsed into bankruptcy after $1.4 million in silver mysteriously vanished. If his history is any indication, your investment isn't just at risk. It's practically already packing its bags. The second major red flag is the complete lack of real products. Texit Coin doesn't actually sell any services. They only market the membership itself. Basically, the only way to make money is by recruiting others into the fold, which is the textbook definition of a pyramid scheme. The compensation structure uses a binary MLM system where you invest in USDT and get paid in TX coins. However, if you don't successfully recruit new members, your commission stays at a solid zero. It's a get-rich-quick scheme where the only thing getting thin is your bank account. Furthermore, we have the small issue of securities violations. Investing in Texit Coin counts as an unregistered security in the U.S., meaning it bypasses strict SEC rules. Selling these is illegal and can lead to serious charges like wire fraud, but I'm sure the founders consider those just minor suggestions from the government. The whole thing is essentially a Ponzi setup where the only money flowing in comes from new investors. Once the recruitment inevitably slows down, the payouts will dry up and the latecomers will be left holding a very empty digital bag. Finally, the claims about T-Coin itself are wildly misleading. They pitch it as the next Bitcoin or Litecoin to make it sound like a can't-miss opportunity. In reality, it's just a Litecoin fork with zero real-world market demand. Comparing this to Bitcoin is like comparing a tricycle to a SpaceX rocket because they both happen to have wheels. Its value depends entirely on new investments, not actual utility. So, is Texitcoin.org legit? The short answer is a hard no. It's a pyramid Ponzi hybrid with no products, a founder with a history of disappearing silver, and a coin with no real value. Most people who join are at serious risk of losing everything. Thanks for sticking around until the end. If you want to stay updated on crypto scams and MLM alerts without losing your shirt, hit that subscribe button.